Barbecue Party with the gang.
Another galaan day with me again. So it's October 1. So we will have our barbecue party together with the team. So yan, gala na naman si Madam. So I'm on my way to Lakeville Residences, if I'm not mistaken. Kaya medyo mahaba-haba yung biyahe. Medyo malayo din siya sa condo ko. Yan, pakenten ka naman. Charat. Ayan, so I finally arrived dito sa sa condo sa Lakeville. And medyo marami-rami yung tao, yung mga sasakyan noong time na yun. Feeling ko kami-kami din doon. So the moment I arrived, I saw my kids cooking, wearing the same shirt. Sila daw yung Three Stooges. Ayan, they're cooking chicken. And then, nagdala din sila ng mga sausages. So yan, medyo marami-rami na rin kami noong time na yon. Emotional damage.
Emotional damage.
Why is it so surprised?
But I like this one better.
Yeah.
And I like the white
So while others are busy, let's check out the pool. Medyo malawak yung condo, and there are multiple blocks dito sa Lakeville. And we heard that in one unit, usually they have like 3 bedrooms, which only cost like 1.6. So kung tatlo kayo magkahati-hati, not bad na. And then usually 3 bedrooms with 3 bathrooms din siya, which is very nice. Ayan, ang ganda, bongga. Lakas makayaman.
yeah, but that's for the money. It helps.
No, I can't help myself with that as well.
Ooh, our cook is really good. Oh. So yan, some of the chickens are cooked already. Kaya yung iba, pinakain na rin namin. Ayan. So yung mga Junakis, napakasipag nila. They are the cook for tonight's video. And I'm so proud of them. While others are eating already, look at them, oh, how hungry they are. So yan. Yan, sarap yan. Oh my God, Amir, why are you letting our assistant manager cook?
She's the head of this party.
This is my side job on weekend.
Ah, my side job.
Side income.
Ay, go. So, yan. This is another batch of chickens. Kawawa naman itong mga Junaks ko. Hindi pa sila kumakain. Kanina pa sila pagod. Ayan. While others are enjoying their food already. Oh my God! That guy! How are you? I'm so sweaty.
Oh yeah,
So pretty.
it has been like whole year. And
You're so pretty.
you brought it one getting.
Nice to see you. Okay. Someone doesn't want to be disturbed while eating. Wow, grand entrance. Hi. Ay, wow, for the what? Booking. Oy, kain na kayo. May mga na.
Pahunin ng mga bata, kakain na tayo. Ahon ng mga bata, ahon na.
Ay, nako. Sayang wala si Eljan, no? Ay, yung mga bata, asa na?
Ang mga bata, pakiahon na, gabi na, mahahamugan.
For the family outing daw ang peg niya, pinapaahon na daw yung mga bata dahil baka mahamugan. Nakakamiss yung mga gala sa Pilipinas. Yan. So, this is Isa. He is the son of one of my agents, Faiz, with Filza. Filza is so pretty. Yeah, super cute. Napaka-behave ng mga batang to. Shep, shep!
Everywhere? What is this?
अब देवी देख क्या देख
Eee, so sweet! Romance!
Dalia, how you know my name?
Of course.
Okay, come on.
Relia, you know my name?
Of course, Auntie la.
Oh, very good. Auntie, what? Name? You say auntie?
Auntie name.
Oh, very good. And of course, the mandatory groovy with the team. Thank you so much, guys, for attending, especially for Manur and for Wadud. Even though you're not with the team anymore, you still had time to attend and spend it with us. Thank you so much, guys. Ayun na yung Three Stooges. Our Three Stooges, oh, they're like a celebrity. Everyone wants to take a picture with them. Woo! Flexing the biceps. Oh my God. Where are we going?
To my place.
To your place?
Excited.
And that's all for tonight's video. Till next time, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.